disgusting! Oh, hello, human beings! I'm back. It's me, Cacti, not Cactuses. And you thought I was dead, but I wasn't. How could you think that? So today we're going to be playing Broken Bones 4 in Roblox. You don't need to see 1, 2, or 3 to understand what's going on. Basically, you jump off a mountain and see how many bones you can break, and then you get money for breaking your own bones, which makes no sense, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay, we're currently 457 meters in the air. Over here on the side are our bones, second one is ligaments, and third one is dislocations. So let's do our first jump. I'm not ready to die, but it's too late now. Ah! Oh man! Oh! Ah! Oh! Alright, now we're gonna use a power up. I love this. Although, oh no, I'm flying out of the map. Okay, here we go. I'm falling down. Let's use another power up while we're at it. Oh, I got a hemorrhage. Man, that's cool, isn't it? Okay, here we go. I broke 200 bones. That's actually a record for me. So you can see how my body looks right now. I have dislocated 10 joints and sprayed 203 ligaments. Yeah, that's bad. That's really, really bad. The dislocations are the purple ones, so you can just see everything that happened to me. Got hemorrhage, you know. That was a lot. So once I get a certain amount of money, I will be able to upgrade my map, which I can. Let's get that. Okay, we're gonna play on my new map, even higher and even more expensive than the last one. So you have to pay money to climb, basically, which is a shame, really. But you know, you like my new avatar, by the way? I look like a creep, don't I? But you know you like it anyway. Okay, here we go. Jumping off my new height. Oh boy, here we go! Oh! Oh man! Please do it again! No! Oh man, that hurt. Alright, now, you can't hear my audio on my computer, but it's cracking really badly. Oh man, this hurts. I'm kind of just sliding. Oh, there's somebody else. Hey! We're breaking bones with each other. Isn't that just splendid? Okay, that was not as good as last time, but it was pretty decent, I'd say. Okay, so I'm doing something that's fun. So I'm not allowed all the way up to this other map, but what I am going to do is climb up the stairs and then jump off. So you start all the way down there. You can't even see it from this height. So here we go. We're going to try to get through that hoop. Oh, well, we did. Okay. Here we go. Oh, there's somebody else. I want to beat you. Oh, no! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, that was 398 meters, folks. Oh wow, that does not look like a fun position to be in. God, okay. Alright. So, I want to show you just how far away the first map is. So, let's go to change map. And we're going to go to map 1. I just want you to see just how far down this is. Okay. So now we're all the way back down here. How did that happen? Okay. So, as you can see here, there's a bunch of people that are below my level going here. So let's just jump down and show them how cool we are. Oh, okay, that did not last long. Oh, wow. Okay, as you can see here, here's my friend Lil Wookie. We're gonna show you what first person looks like in this game. Because I really think you need to see. Oh, Alright, there it is, there it is, never mind. I thought they took it away for a second because it was blending in. Alright, this is first person for you folks. This is very nauseating, so don't throw up on my camera. Oh my god, oh man. I've really done it this time. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh. Okay, we're turning that off because that was horrible. Let's be honest, who didn't throw up? Like this video if you threw up. That's how I'm gonna get likes. Alright, we're climbing up the stairs again, which usually takes longer, but this time it doesn't. Oh, crap. It teleported me back down. That's wonderful. Okay, we're gonna try jumping off again. You know this is not gonna end good. Okay. The rocks are my favorite. You get the most injured from those. Oh, and here we go. If we make it over to Peasant Land here, where all the little kids go, we can see all the stuff that they get to have. Okay, I'm twisted. I'm really a twisted person, if you know what I mean. Alright, let's play again, shall we? Okay, this time I'm gonna jump off backwards. And I'm not going to control my flight, because I do that all the time. Okay, here we go. We're just going down, you know, pretty casual if you ask me. Okay, let's use another power-up. This, I don't know, I don't really understand what it does. I think it makes me go fast in one direction, but, you know. Or stay in the air. I don't even know. They don't really specify exactly. Oh, we're gonna land in the tree! Or not, or not. You know, we just couldn't, you know. And I think my neck is broken, folks. Alright, we're gonna play one more time until we get to level 20. You can see the bar down there. Let's do this thing! Okay. We're going to make this one truly spectacular. Let's hit a tree. I want to hit a tree. That's all I'm going to try to do. I'm not going to try to hit anything else. I just want one tree. Please, for the love of God. Okay. Here's one. Here's one. No! Tree! Oh, God. I don't think humans are meant to endure this type of pain. Something I found funny in this game, I've seen pros playing this, and they get 1,000,000 bones broken, which isn't even possible because the adult human body has 236 bones. You learn something new every day! Alright, let's go. This is the last one, I promise. Whee! Alright, we're just gonna go straight down, honestly. Oh! I enjoy doing this. I enjoy breaking my own bones. Oh, and we hit the tree. What a way to end this beautiful video. I got level 21! Woohoo! Yay, okay. I am not as brutally mangled as the first one, but I'm still brutally mangled. Da 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 da. Hey guys, so you're probably wondering what our daily shout out is going to be today. And today I'm shouting out T-Series because they're so original and they have so many subscribers, you know? If you're a real fan of me, you would subscribe to T-Series right now, you know? And that's really all I have to say for today. So, remember guys, the fact of life. It's cacti, not cactuses!